Now I will show you how to shift between the PHP versions. In Laragon 8.1.10, this is actually the PHP version in Laragon that I have installed and shown you. And this is the localhost test.php. If you refresh, you will see that the PHP version that is running right now in Laragon is PHP 8.1.10. Now I am going to install the PHP 7.4 also in here. Just go to the icon and here PHP, you see that the current version is selected, this one, but no other version is installed here. So here you will see how to add another version. So I am going to click here. This is taking you to the forum, and after the login into the forum, you can see there is a download link, windows.php.net download. I am going to there and I am going to PHP version that I need. For example, I am going to install the PHP version 7.4 here. So here you will see that this is 664. There are many versions. You can use a version what you need. I am going to install, for example, here PHP 7.4 thread. Here there is a download source code. You can easily download it, or here you can use something like this zip code. For example, this zip code is okay for me. I am going to click here. Now I am going to download this one, and it is going to be downloaded on my computer. Just wait for some times, it will be downloaded. So it is downloaded. I am going to open the folder, this one, and after download I am going to open the place location how I will have to install it, that is bin php. You will have to paste this folder that is into the bin php. Okay, so this is the file. I am going to cut. I am going to Laragon bin. There is a PHP folder here. Here I will just paste this one. I am going to just paste this one. Now I will just extract files here. Extract files. Click on OK, and that is extracted here. I am going to remove the zip file after extraction. You will see that now there are two folders. If I go to here in my Laragon, you will see there is another folder that is PHP 7.4. Now you can just select it. Okay, if you go, you will see that the selected version is PHP 7.4. So in order to work with this, just stop all the service, and then I will just start all the service. Now I am going to load the test.php that I written last time. I am going to reload. You see that the current PHP version is 7.4.32. Again, if you want to go to the PHP 8.1.1 version again, just go here, just select this version, then just stop all the service, and then just start all the service. Now if you reload, you will see that the PHP version running in Laragon is 8.1.10 again. In this way, you can just select PHP 7 or 8 what you needs. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, then do not forget to comment and also share my video with other people. If you still did not subscribe to my channel, then I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.